Now, every time I've done this, it's been different because each piece is different, so it's never gonna look the same. But I gotta remember, the title is obviously gonna be covered, so there's gonna be some white around it. So what I try to do is I try to connect something to it, so it both, it gets covered as a piece. I don't have to really fill in the middle. I always try to make sure there's a piece that connected, because to go into the middle of both, I wouldn't be filling it, unless I had to do it like on a 17 by 11. So, and you don't really have to do too much on the top. You can choose what side you want to do more dominantly. This one, I always go a little bit more to the left. But this one, in this case, he's pretty centered, huh? So it probably, it's just a big spot missing here. This one has two. This is the first time I actually have it like this, so it's gonna have to look different. So what helps me? Where the fuck is my pencil? Pencil. So let's say I could just do. I know there's gonna be a gap right here. So, and that's there. But I'm thinking I'm gonna have one in the middle, and have a nice big open spot right here. Let me see. Again, right here, a bigger blot right here, bigger blot, and then let's do another blot right here. Maybe, let's make this one bigger. Go like this one right here, and then here do like a nice little cool one, cool one right there. And so this is gonna open up. It's gonna be open now, so it should open. So this should be just, I would say, hey, wait, no. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. Okay, let's do another one right about here. Let's do one right here. Okay. And then, let me see. Let's do a hole right here. And I'm gonna make this one go into the blue, just to have it like, and then let's do one high corner big right here. Let's fuck it. And then let's do, if it's power here dominantly on this side, going up, then that should have more white. That should be, if the fit's on this side, so obviously a little bit more white on this side and a little bit more black on this side. So let's do like this, and we can go into it, and then do another one, almost same size, and do like a nice little, go here on this side. Let's going up. Okay, let's go a little tiny one over here. Let's see how it comes out. India ink. Much better than the Higgins, but if you add them together, the transition is so nice. You shake it. Any paper you use, whether it's tissue or paper towel, has to be textured. You need these ridges. You just ball it up a little bit, kind of like a rose. Alright, here we go. And I just put it right here. A little more. It's really not good to put too much, just enough. But so by doing this, I'm gonna spread it out at the beginning. Then that should be good. Right there. Let's close that. All right. Let's see. Do the big ones first. Let's see. Turn it around. There you go. Make it easier. Let's see. Put my hand on here. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Okay. Make sure that don't happen. Let's see. Let's do it again. Take the big one. 2. It never comes out perfect, but artists should never be perfect. Gotta keep learning that. And then, looks like that's it. We're done for now. This is the beginning of it. And now we're going to take a break.